Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about Amaryllis, such a stately flower. As they open, the head gets bigger, more voluptuous, and sometimes can cause the stem to bend and crack. Breaks your heart. An easy solution, take a piece of river cane, insert that right up into the bottom. It doesn't hurt it. It's a hollow stem. Put it up as far as it'll go. Then go ahead and just cut that off and set it right down into the water. You can do that with each stem. Just taking it, setting the stem in. When it gets to the top, go ahead and cut that end. And then set that down. Ready for designing. You can always cut them shorter again, but who would want to shorten them? And now you know they'll stand straight. Now you know how the pros do it.